We are from SLN Coffee Private Limited. Levista is our premium brand, and this is a very young brand, just 5-year-old. And this brand is doing extremely good across market. Now currently we are available all India, all the modern trade channels. In South India, across South Indian markets, we are available with spread of 700 distributors, and we are available in more than 1 lakh of outlets. We have varieties like pure coffee, that is Levista Classic, which is 100% coffee without chicory. We have Levista Premium, which is 80% coffee and 20% chicory. And we have Levista Strong, which is 60-40, 60% coffee and 40% chicory. And all these are instant coffees. And we are into filter coffee, that is 60-40 and 80-20, 60% coffee and 40% chicory, and 80% coffee and 20% chicory. Plus we have a big packet that is meant for Orica hotel channels, that is a 1 kg packet, 53-47, 53% coffee and 47% chicory. SLN is into this business from last 60 years. We are one of the largest bean exporter in the country, and we are one of the largest B2B manufacturers. We do manufacturing for many non-brands across India. Currently our products available in 28 countries across India, and we do business in the 28 countries.